Today's guys, we're gonna do a bracing. So as you can see, there's a thermal expansion valve body that's made of brass and a reducer made of copper. We're gonna use a 45% silver rod flux coated. Apply flux to the joint by lightly dipping the silver rod. When it turns red hot in color, apply the silver rod evenly to the joint. Be sure that the silver rod deeply penetrate the joint. So right now we're gonna proceed in capping to have an extra layer of silver rod in the joints. So it will prevent for future leaks. And the brace part is more stronger. So that's it guys, we're done. So we just need to wait to cool down the part, then clean it. Please follow, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.